There are tons of different headphones out there. The one you are most familiar with are ones like these. These right here are the Cloud HyperX headphones. It's actually a headset with a detachable microphone. So you can put it on your head, take it off. It's a headphone, and then you throw it on, and it's a headset. I love this thing. For what it is, it has a microphone. I think the mic sounds great. This thing's about 60, I think I paid like 60 bucks at GameStop for it. And it doesn't sound the best, right? But it has that microphone on it. And what you're getting for the value is amazing. You plug this into your computer, you can crank it up really loud, and you're gonna be super satisfied with this, especially if you're not going into like trying to get the best sound or anything like that. It has a lot of bass. It's muddy. I really honestly don't like listening to music with these, but I love using these for playing games. I used it for a video just yesterday actually, and I think they're just a great headphone. But what if you are into like good audio and actually want something that's going to be great for your music, something you're going to enjoy for a long time? Well, I have a great headphone for you because I have the Sennheiser 660S. I love the Sennheiser brand. There are a lot of headphones out there that are amazing, but the Sennheisers just do them right. So you can get the HD6XX from Drop for about $200. I would recommend those. Those are probably my number one recommendation for Sennheiser headphones. These ones are about $500, give or take, and they might look cheap. Yes, they're made of plastic, but it's a nice plastic. And you can replace all the parts on here. The cable's detachable, so you can replace the cable if you need to, obviously, just like the headset. And like you can take it apart, like I just took it off, and you can literally get down to the actual driver. A driver is the speaker of the headphone, so you can do a lot with this headphone, and it sounds great. So you see how these have holes? That's like the number one thing you'll probably notice, is you can see almost like right through the headphone. And the reason for that is it lets the sound bleed, alright? It's supposed to be more natural. So if a headphone like this, it's closed, and so when you put it on your head, when the music plays, it bounces around, and it's kind of like having a small room on your head. It feels very isolated, very very stuffy, and the sound just doesn't have space to travel. But with these, however, when music's played, it just bleeds out and it doesn't bounce around in your head, and you don't get that stuffiness that you normally do with a headphone like this. And I absolutely love these. These are a dynamic driver, and these are also a dynamic driver. A dynamic driver is literally just a driver that you find in everything. Those little circle ones that you see that go vibrate, the ones you see in cars, the one you see basically anywhere. That's what these headphones are. You can kind of see it right there. I'm not going to take these apart, but if I did, you would see the other side of it. And alright, that's cool and all. Like, these sound amazing. It just sounds so natural. You get so much detail. It sounds more open. It kind of sounds like the music is playing from out here. With these, you kind of get that it's like right here, you know? And with these, it kind of opens up a little bit more, and it just sounds more natural, more like you're in the room with the recorder. And it's amazing. But we can go one step higher, at least what I have with me right now. And that is electrostatic headphones. Electrostatic drivers use static electricity to create noise. And here's a pair right here. These are the Stax L300 with the optional band that you can get online. And I absolutely love these things. And here, I'm gonna show you something really cool. You can see right through them. Actually, with the lighting, you probably can't see that well, but I can see the camera right through the headphones. The drivers are so thin that you can basically just like, if you took a driver and just like let go of it, it'd probably fit down like this because it's so light and it's essentially transparent. It's a really cool technology. It's very hard to manufacture, so headphones like these normally start out at like a higher price point. This is the cheapest headphone that Stax makes, and the headphones alone are still about $400. But if you want to run them, you're going to need an Energizer. The Energizer, I'll throw a picture right here. is something that basically converts your power from your source, and it throws it into your headphones, but it needs to be converted because it runs so many volts. I believe that these headphones are over 500 volts, which is crazy. Like something like this does not run that many volts at all. And these need a lot of volts because it needs that static charge to be able to create the sound. And the connector for these things, it's not something you can plug into your phone. It looks like this. There's a bunch of pins on it. And man, these things though are incredible. I absolutely love them. These, because the drivers are so thin, are so open, it doesn't feel like they're clouding your vision at all. Like, you know, I put these on, I can still hear everything that I can hear when they're off. Granted, when you're playing music and if you're in the room, you're going to be distracting anyone that's around you because the music bleeds so they can hear everything. But this thing sounds detailed, so detailed. It's because these are electrostatics and it has like a no decay. It like instant, it's on or off sound. But usually with dynamic driver, it vibrates, so it takes time. It's slow. The driver is heavy, right? Because it's made out of like rubber and plastic and stuff. These are just so thin that it doesn't have that. It's like on or off, and so you get so much detail that you can hear everything. The sound is so open. It sounds like it's from out here, honestly. And it's like you can hear everything. You pick out every part of your song. And it's incredible. Like orchestral music or anything like that, honestly, I'm a big fan of. These are definitely something that some people might not like, especially the first time they try it. I feel like it's kind of an acquired taste for some people, because some people like the bass. Like this has the bass. Granted, it's kind of done bad, and you can get better. Like you can get closed back headphones with good bass that are more expensive, but like I said, they're more expensive, so you could definitely get into this stuff. So like look up some audiophile YouTubers. Z Reviews is definitely a great person to look into. He can teach you a lot about like different headphones and stuff like that. And also Joshua Valor, they're great YouTubers for stuff like this. But man, if you're sticking with this and you've never tried anything more than that, like you have so much more out there that you can try, and it's going to up your game. Like, I mean, for gaming, honestly, I don't think headphones make that big of a difference. Like, you know, the sound wise, it makes a huge difference, but for a tactical advantage, I wouldn't really worry about it. You can basically get, you know, a tactical advantage from any headphone. A headphone in general is just good for stuff like that, for getting that surround sound, be able to pick out points. But man, I'd recommend getting headphones from Sennheiser, the 6XX or something along those lines. With that, Sennheiser is about $200 and sometimes goes on sale. The best headphones hands down you can buy for the price point. It'll sound amazing, your music will sound amazing, your games will sound amazing. Honestly, everything will basically sound amazing. I'm a big fanboy of it. But yeah, that's my video for today. Like I said in the video yesterday, I'm just gonna start uploading whatever I want. So if you guys enjoyed this video, or if you want to see more videos like this, and reviews or whatever, like I'm just passionate about headphones and stuff, so I decided why not, right? But yeah, thank you so much. Without further ado, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.